How to fix Belkin wireless charger not working. So if your Belkin wireless charger is not charging your phone, so not powering on at all, this issue is usually caused by power problems, compatibility issues, or misalignment. So there's a few things you can do to help you with this problem. And you gotta put in mind if the problem is you gotta put in mind that if your problem doesn't work from these solutions, then most of the time the problem can be a deeper technical problem, and you can go ahead and try contacting Belkin support. So you can go ahead and search for that, and you can go ahead and tell them that your device is somewhat faulty. To make sure your charger is directly plugged into a wall outlet, try not using extensions for now since you're testing the device. So it also pretty much depends on what model you're using. So you can go ahead and take a look at your user manual first and see if there are any options you have to do a maintenance on a charger that isn't working. So try a different wall outlet if that doesn't work, since insufficient power is one of the most common causes of wireless charging failures. You can also go ahead and try if your phone works or if your phone is compatible, since not all phones are able to take wireless charging. So ensure your phone supports QI wireless charging, since some phones require fast charge compatible adapters. So older or non-QI devices will not charge wirelessly. So if your phone has worked or has charged using the wireless charging though, then you can go ahead and skip that step. You can also try in removing a thick phone case or anything that is possibly blocking the charger from the phone. So maybe you bought a new thick phone case, you can go ahead and try taking that off and see if the problem still persists. So once that's done, you can try repositioning the phone. So make sure the phone is centered on the charging pad or stand, and a slight misalignment can be a little problem, especially if the charger you bought is maybe old or something. You can try rotating the phone slightly, since wireless charging requires a somewhat a precise coil alignment. So clean the charger and phone as well. This doesn't really do much, but of course you can always go ahead and try. Wipe the charging surface with a dry cloth, clean the back of the phone, remove dust or debris. And finally, just go ahead and try restarting your phone and see if the problem still persists. So again, one of the most important things to put in mind is that if your phone has never worked with this charger before, then there's a high chance that your phone isn't just compatible with the wireless charger. So you can go ahead and take a look at your phone compatibility, taking a look at this model and seeing if it works for QI wireless charging. So those are a few things you can put in mind to potentially help you with this problem. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.